Hey guys, so if you're looking for the solution that the Ticketmaster verification code is not sending, someone wrote it here. I had the same issue, but I just found a way. I made an account on the side of my home country, Germany, and then used that account to log into the site of the land where I want to buy the ticket. On the German side, it was no problem to get a verification code. Try it out. So I have the same problems today. I want to create account on Polish Ticketmaster and use my non-Polish mobile number. It doesn't work even there is an option for other country. When I ask some stranger if he can give me his Polish number to receive a message, then I can get a verification code. So when creating account, you must have a number of country of Ticketmaster account. So it works on Ticketmaster 8 with the Austrian number. So I got Austrian eSIM just for this. And that's something you can do. So try to get like different eSIM, different number for the eSIM, because it doesn't cost much when you're gonna go to Maya Mobile. And when you're gonna be here, you are going to find plenty of eSIMs for like Austria that you can check out and buy and then use. So have a great day and goodbye.